Hello, chunky people. Welcome to another earbud review for the SoundPeats Air 4 Lite. These earbuds do not have silicon tips, so they're kind of a AirPod base competitor. I like these little slogans random companies put on things. Hear your imagination. Inside the case, here are the earbuds wrapped in another layer of plastic. And the case is a glossy plastic, which is quite the fingerprint magnet if you have sweaty, sticky hands like me. I wish companies would just make only matte products, but alas. Also in the case, you get the product manuals very nicely stored in there, I will say. But they give you a SoundPeats app introduction pamphlet and also an earbud manual. You also get a cord, which is USB-A to USB-C. These earbuds are USB-C, so they charge pretty quick, and the charging port has metal around it, which I do appreciate. I think that will last quite a long time. One thing that surprised me was the silicon tips were not in the case. That's okay. I have a ton of those in general from other earbuds, but they just weren't in the case altogether. The case is pretty well made, and the earbuds are a matte material, but I will say that they're kind of close to the AirPods stem design, and they do not fit nearly as well. When you first pair these earbuds, I'm going to go into an app demo here. The app is called SoundPeats in the iOS App Store, but when you first pair them, you can see the earbud battery percentage, not the case, but you can adjust the volume and then adjust pre-built EQs. And it just takes a few seconds for those to kick in after you change the EQ on the earbuds, but they do change, and it also has a game mode, which is low lag, meaning the sound quality gets worse, in my opinion. And then you can also shop for more products which aren't really available. Because there is no silicon tip, you can see this metal mesh material preventing you from getting to the driver, but it's a nice gold color. I do think these look okay for the price. These are $50 US, but for the price, I can think of a lot of other earbuds I might buy around this price point. So I'm not sure these are the ones you want to get for $50. If you are used to AirPods Pro or any top earbuds, these will not sound very good, sadly. But if you're looking for a cheaper earbud just to wear to the gym, because it does not have a silicon tip, it does kind of sound like transparency mode where you can hear objects around you. Okay, I have switched to the microphone on these earbuds. What do you think about the microphone quality on these SoundPeats Air 4 Lite? Is the call quality clear to you? Can you clearly hear what I'm saying? Anyways, thank you for joining, and please subscribe to my channel, Chunky Audio.